The Master Lock 605 can be opened with bottom of the keyway tension, single pin picking. It is a 4-pin lock that does not require a lot of skill to open. And just like that, you have an open. It can also be, it will not lock without the key. It can also be fairly quickly. We'll put this in here, and we can use something like the McTickler to get a quick open. Or, if you're really in a hurry and you don't have a tensioner, you can just use your pick and very easily insert it above the pins and push down to get an open. The only thing this is a master of is unlocking.